Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of One to Step, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a destination link on your Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to add a destination link, just simply open your Pinterest application at first, and after that create a pin for your Pinterest. And after selecting the pin that you want to upload, this link option will directly appear into here. Now you just simply have to put your link into this tab into here, and after entering your link, just simply click to create button. Then your destination link will be added into your Pinterest. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.